Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. This is actually one of the most biggest PR package that I received in the mail. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, and this is where the sort of PR came from. It came through my Instagram, and thank you to Soda Communication. I'll leave a link to their Instagram below. This is a parcel from SleepMakers and Soda Communication. Thank you so much, guys, for sending this out. I am totally spoiled, and my birthday is coming up, St. Patrick's. If anyone wants to send me anything, let me know. Yeah, let's get to unboxing. SleepMakers. Wow, this is massive. Alright, so this is the Kulkote temperature regulating technology SleepMaker. So what it is actually a pillow. Is the main character for this particular PR unboxing. It's been a long summer, guys, in Australia, and that's what it says here. It's been a long hot summer after sleepless night with one leg in and out. Oh my god, honestly, I always have one leg out regardless of what time of the year. I'll at least leave an opening for my blanket to keep me cool. It's time to cool off, and that's why we're pleased to welcome the coolest new addition to your bedroom, SleepMaker's revolutionary Kulkote technology. So how the pillow is made is just like what they use in spacesuits, to be honest, to help regulate astronauts' body temperature when they're out of space. This is so cool. Kulkote's pillow and mattress, and it's to keep us not too hot, not too cold, just the right all year round. Honestly, you can use it all year round. It's not something that you can use, one time a year sort of thing. It's all year round. It's always there. The cutting-edge technology absorbs excess heat, energy, stores it, and then release it back when it needed. A continuous cycle which helps manage temperature and keeps you more comfortable in bed. So to celebrate this, they've designed a pack of some of the coolest product around right now to keep everyone, like myself, feeling effortlessly cool, calm, and collected. From cult beauty product to innovative design essentials, there's no doubt that this would be the coolest gift yet. So there's some little goodies in here. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is the Sleep Pure Silk Sleeping Mask. Oh my god, Sleep is one of the most amazing brands out there. They do pillowcases as well that is purely 100% silk. Look how pretty this is. Oh wow, this is a brand called Beysis, an Australian brand as well. Guess what? It's matte black. That is so cool. It's like stainless steel. It's amazing. This is going to keep cold water cool. Featuring a luxe satin finish and sturdy double-wall stainless steel. Designed this vacuum insulated bottle to keep liquid cold for 24 hours and hot for 12. Leak proof and BPA free. Let's go with this one. This one is from Frank Body. Oh my god, what is this? Frank Body in your dreams sleep scrub and soak. A dreamy literation of OG coffee scrub, which took the world by storm. Oh my lord. In your dreams, sleep, scrub and soak. I'm the man of your dream, literally. I love that. I love scrub. I've just picked Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the flavored caramel. It's a Korean brand that I've seen and loved for a few years now. I've used their lip balm before. Oh, this smells amazing. Oh, it smells exactly like caramel. It does. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's got the cutest little spoon to grab it for you. That is amazing. Honestly, I would probably just use it all day, all night as well. I know the sleep mask. Little sanitizer. Can never go wrong with a sanitizer. Always. There we go. In a little black box. Oh, I knew what it is. The charger. A portable charger. Oh my god. this is the best thing that had ever come to me. Power bank. This is like 10,000 milliamp. This is so it says there 64% if it's working, but it's actually got a little thing that says out right there, and when I put on, it charges my phone right there. So like if I'm leaning on the ground like this, it's perfect. Highlight of it all. Wow, awesome. Thank you so much, SleepMakers and Soda Communication. Again, you guys are the best people I know. So this is the SleepMaker Next Gen Visco Plus Kulkote Pillow. So it's a pillow in here. None of them are leaving. This is gonna be the best, the king of it all. So let me just read a little briefly there. It enhanced support, it's breathable, it's a machine washable cover. So you can take the cover off, temperature control, 3-year warranty, and best of all, this is Australian made. Can you see that little stamp there? Oh my god, I can feel it already. The moment it came out of it. Jeez, oh. I don't know why I love the smell of new things. It smells good. It's got a zipper, like this, where I feel like it's absorbing it, and every time I touch it again, it's cool. It's a really cool touch. You can see a little bit lightly, it's blue under there, which is their technology that they have in there. Oh, this is so good. Thank you so much. I feel so spoiled, like, and the gift that I just showed you guys, the little goodies, it's gonna pamper my night. Honestly, Sunday tonight is gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit tonight. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and